Is your Comfee dishwasher leaving you with a tub full of dirty water? Don't worry, you're not alone. Drainage issues are one of the most common problems with dishwashers. This problem is especially common in older Comfee models from 2018 to 2022. But the good news is that most drainage issues can be fixed with some simple troubleshooting steps. Before we start troubleshooting, let's understand the key components of your dishwasher's drainage system. There are 5 main parts that work together to remove dirty water. Now let's look at the actual dishwasher interior and filtering system. This diagram shows where the main components are located inside your dishwasher. The most frequent culprits behind drainage problems are clogged filters and blocked drain hoses. These 2 components handle the majority of drainage issues you'll encounter. Here's what a dirty clogged filter looks like. You can see the food debris and buildup that prevents proper water drainage. This is exactly what we'll be cleaning in the next section. Good news for owners of newer Comfee models from 2023 to 2025. These have improved self-cleaning filters and better drainage systems. However, regular maintenance is still essential for optimal performance. Now that you understand the common causes of drainage problems, you're ready to start the actual troubleshooting process. In the next section, we'll walk through step-by-step instructions for cleaning filters, clearing clogs, and maintaining your dishwasher's drainage system. Now we'll walk through the complete step-by-step process to clear clogs and maintain your Comfee dishwasher. Follow these steps carefully for best results. Step 1 is crucial for safety. Always disconnect the power supply to your dishwasher at the circuit breaker and turn off the water supply valve under your sink. Never work on electrical appliances while they're connected to power. Step 2. Remove the bottom dish rack to access the filter system. Simply pull the rack straight out on its rails. This gives you clear access to the dishwasher's drainage components at the bottom of the tub. Step 3. Remove the filter assembly. First, unscrew the cylindrical filter by turning it counterclockwise. Then lift out the lower filter assembly. These filters catch food particles and need regular cleaning to prevent clogs. Now clean both filters thoroughly under hot running water. Use a soft brush to remove stubborn food particles. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could damage the filter mesh. Step 4. Inspect and clean the sump area. This is the collection point at the bottom of the dishwasher where water gathers before being pumped out. Remove any visible debris, food particles, or broken glass you might find. Step 5. Check the drain hose for problems. Disconnect the hose from the garbage disposal or sink drain. Look carefully for kinks, clogs, or any damage to the hose material. A damaged hose can cause water backup and drainage failures. Here's what a clogged drain fitting looks like. Food debris and grease can accumulate over time, blocking water flow. If you find clogs like this, the hose will need to be cleaned or replaced. Step 6 is critical. Ensure proper high loop installation. The drain hose must be secured at least 12 inches above the floor level. This high loop prevents dirty water from backing up into your clean dishwasher, which is essential for proper drainage. Step 7. Reassemble everything in reverse order. Install the lower filter assembly first, then screw in the cylindrical filter clockwise until snug. Replace the bottom dish rack. Regular maintenance following these steps can prevent 70% of drainage problems and extend your dishwasher's life significantly.